Welcome to ALEKS Placement Preparation and Learning. The placement assessment will take you 60 to 90 minutes to complete. During this time, you'll be asked approximately 30 questions assessing your skills in arithmetic through trigonometry. Throughout the assessment, you're not expected to answer every question correctly, but you should try your best. If you don't know the answer to a question, simply click "I don't know" to move on. The result of your assessment will ensure you're placed in the course that is most appropriate based on your current abilities. Therefore, it's important that you take this assessment both seriously and honestly. If you're not satisfied with your initial score, don't worry. Within ALEKS PPL, you will have access to a prep and learning module that allows you to practice problems before retaking the assessment. Studies have shown that students who use the learning modules a minimum of 8 hours significantly increase their chance of scoring higher on their next assessment. Use this to your advantage. If you practice enough, there's a good chance that you can score higher and possibly even move up a class. We hope ALEKS PPL will be the first step on your path to success in math and beyond.